Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Shaikhain, a YouTube channel working for the betterment of society, and I am SAEED. Ladies and gentlemen, we launched this channel Shaikhain in June this year. Upon completion of first quarter, we would like to review our performance and share with you. Till now, we have published more than 60 videos, and our subscribers as of now are like 526. As you know, Shaikhain is a channel of professionals and for multidisciplinary professionals for working together, for thinking together, and for sharing together knowledge, skill, and success stories and experience guidance for particularly newcomers in professions as well as for the common man. How far we have been successful in this venture, we need your feedback. However, just providing you a glimpse of the areas we have tried to work for as our playlist titles, like the separate playlist for health advisory, playlist for legal advisory, business advisory, management advisory, taxation advisory, motivation and leadership, a separate playlist for EDR disputes, and playlist for COVID-19 effects, playlist for self-humanity by volunteers, and Shaikhain playlist number 1. It is more on sharing of professional knowledge as well as the success stories. See, we live in a society where nobody shall guide you, rather shall criticize you, whatever you do or whatever you intend to do. Of course, good exceptions are there. So, let us join hands and collaborate in professional manner with motto to serve others, to help others, and to motivate others through our sharings, and it won't cost you much. Rather, I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, it shall provide you a great sense of achievement with love, affection, and peace unto yourself and towards the people we want to serve. Come forward and share your success story and your experience where you feel shall bring an upward change into the life of a common man, which shall be a source of inspiration as well as for awareness. Sharing of a bad experience also helps a lot. So be a friend of Shaikhain. If you know any story to share, contact us. We invite you to subscribe our channel and share our work amongst your circles. We need encouragement by way of more subscribers, more views, more watch time. So need more hands to bring a positive change for the betterment of society. Last but not the least, we are thankful to all the professionals, the doctors, the lawyers, the businessmen, the community leaders, and all our friends for providing help and sharing their views and experience and success stories and standing with us during this quarter to make this our humble venture, Shaikhain, an emerging success story. And that is, of course, for the benefit of youth and for the common man of the society. Finally, let me share with you that I received a WhatsApp message from one of our viewers saying that, would you like love story? I replied, we love every success story. So come forward and be a friend of Shaikhain. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Stay blessed and stay with Shaikhain.